In this video, you'll learn how to create digital products using Kimi AI. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to generate applications tailored for time management. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see a user-friendly interface with options for starting new projects. Next, locate and click on the prompt area on the interface. This is typically a designated section where you can enter your project ideas or requests. After clicking, the area should become active, indicating that you can input your text. Now type in the phrase, "Build apps for time management" into the prompt area. Ensure that your input is clear and free of errors. The system will recognize your request and prepare to process the information you provided. Once you have entered the text, look for the Enter button, usually located next to the prompt area. Click on this button to submit your request. Afterward, the interface may briefly indicate that it is processing your input. After submitting your request, you will need to wait for Kimi AI to generate the digital product. This may take a moment depending on the complexity of your request and the system's current workload. A loading indicator may appear during this time, notifying you. Once the generation is complete, the results will be displayed on your screen. You can review the generated applications and make adjustments if necessary. Before proceeding, ensure that you have sufficient storage space available for any outputs you wish to save. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.